Okay, we are back for another installment of, I love this artwork that I did at this workshop, but I'm tired of it, and what do I do with it now? And we are repurposing, I love it, what was once this piece of artwork. I love it. So we have made a card, right? So those were here and here, and we have made a tag. Tag was here. And now we are going to make this cute little journal page out of the last house that I have on this. All right, you ready? So I'm going to use a little bit different journal, but the first thing we're going to do is cut out this last little skinny house here. All right, so we did that. I'm also going to take off these little, well, that's not, yeah. Okay, so let me get that glued back down, because I kind of collaged that piece. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out these, I don't think I might not even use that one. I'm going to cut out these 3 banners. I have these all cut out. I'm going to add just a little bit of color on the edge of these. Again, these are the, what are these? Faber-Castell gelatos. This is iced pear. Wonder who gets to sit around and make up the names of colors. That could be a really fun job. All right, let's do this. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to set those aside for just a second. You're going to get your journal spread. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go this direction just because it's easier to work with. And I'm going to cut out a little pocket. And I'm just going to do a quick, how am I going to do this? I think I want it right about there. So I'm going to do a quick rip with my ruler. You are left with a cute little edged pocket that I'm going to, once again, let's see, what color do I want to add in this? I like these colors. There's kind of a peach in here, so I'm going to do the edge of this before I glue it down. It's like that. That's pretty, I like that. Next, I'm going to take my handy dandy glue stick. Not that one, because when you leave the lids off of them, they don't work anymore. Okay, so the only part I'm going to glue is the bottom. Did that cut off? Oh, sorry. Okay, the bottom and this side. Just like that. So you have a thin edge. I'm going to glue that there. Okay, so now I've made myself a little pocket. Be fun to put a bunch of these in here, huh? Okay, so I'm going to paint this part white. I've got my good old Artist Loft acrylic paint, titanium white. You guys, my desk is such a mess. I would have a better brush, but I don't want to get up right now, so I'm just going to use what's on here. Okay. Ooh, this is fun. Yes, 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 I like that. All right, so we're just going to paint this out white. Okay, just a super thin layer. And I think for the back of this, you could put a piece of book paper back here. You could put a piece of sheet music. But what I have in my hot little hands is my friend gave me her jelly plate extras. And I really like the colors she has been using. Although that kind of fades to the background, huh? All right, let's see. What did she gave me? So that would be pretty. It's kind of fun. It's too dark. Okay, so I just really like the colors in that. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use, let me get this out of the way. Put my lid back on this so I don't dry it out. Make sure I don't lose my house or my banners because, okay, can I just give you a really quick look at my desk? Look at this. This is such a hot mess. Oh gosh, I just have stuff everywhere. All right, but I'm just gonna focus right here, okay? So here's my little banners. Here's my house. I'm gonna put that right here so I don't lose it. And I'm going to find my little ruler. I'm going to, how far down does that go? Oh, that's good. Tear this right here. Ooh. Shoot. I didn't do that very well, did I? Look. It's short. Okay, think. I'm gonna leave it like this. And that's fine. In fact, I'm gonna tear this little piece off. So this can be here. This one can be here. And this one will be down here. All right, I'm gonna go glue that down. I'll be right back. All right, so this is all glued down and dry. And now I'm gonna put this little part together. So I'm gonna put my little banner here to see how I want it. Well, it's kind of big. I might cut it down. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. There. All right, so I like the sheet music. It's a hymnal. And I like that this says, let me fly to the rock that is higher than I. I'm going to tear that. And I'm going to use a little for the edges. Do that. So it's pretty amazing what you can do when you repurpose your artwork. Gives you all kinds of ideas. All right, so I'm gonna let that, see if I like that. Then I wanna add this side or this side. I think I like this little square because I like the yellows here and a little bit of green in here. And then this kind of goes with this. So I'm just gonna take off this little square. Now I haven't glued anything down yet because I might want to move that over just a little bit. And then I want to find, I have these cool stickers, and do I want to put, I think I might like that butterfly sticker there. Where do I want to put, I might put it here. That's kind of fun. Okay. All right, so I'm going to glue all this down, and then we'll work on the pocket inside. All right, here we go for the last part. We're going to make our little insert here. So I'm going to make this into a tag, and I'm going to hole punch it. Right about there. Take my little jute string, jute, whatever you call it, twine. And I'm going to use a little bit of this vintage seam binding that I love. And I think I'm going to add, oh, I got this at an estate sale. Look at this fun ribbon. Do you think I'll ever use this up in a lifetime? I do not, but that's okay. All right, put all these like this. I like to do this so I can fit it through the little hole. Can you guys hear my chicks? You might be able to. They're pretty noisy right now. I have two little Americana chicks that I'm going to add to my flock. They are, I think they're about 4 or 5 weeks old. And they live in my art studio. I love them. All right, so here we have pulled all this through. Did I get it? Yep. Oh, that's a good one. All right, I'm going to trim this a little bit. And I think I'm going to stamp something right here. I think I'm going to stamp Let Me Fly, so I'm going to do that real quick. Guys, we made our journal page, a little pocket. I really like it. So you're gonna have this in here, like this, and you'll think, oh, I remember making this. It says, Let Me Fly. I love it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. I sure enjoyed doing it for you. If you have, like this video and subscribe. Let me know if you make one. And I hope you have fun repurposing your art and enjoying what you're doing. And I look forward to doing the next one with you. Bye.